Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Calendar to Calendly automations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Calendly website. Log into your Calendly account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view available options. Scroll down to find Google Calendar in the list. Click on the Google Calendar option to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. Once connected, you will see options for calendar settings. Choose which Google Calendar you want to connect to Calendly. Decide if you want Calendly to automatically add events to your Google Calendar. Select additional options, such as updating events or receiving notifications. Save your preferences to finalize the connection. Return to your Calendly dashboard once the setup is complete. Test the integration by creating a new event in Calendly. Check your Google Calendar to ensure the event appears. Adjust any settings in either platform as needed. Your Google Calendar is now successfully connected to Calendly automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.